Today I'm really excited. I finally got my wheels that I ordered. I ordered this set of wheels for that car. There's right there, and I'm very excited. I've been waiting for about 3 months. I really can't wait. I got a call saying that the wheels came in, and I really can't wait to see them. For a lot of people, this is just a set of wheels, but for me, it's like these have been my dream wheels, and these wheels are pretty expensive, but I'm really excited because this was something I had on mind. I really just wanted to share this unboxing of my wheels with you guys. I'm really excited. It's been a long wait waiting for these. These wheels are 3-piece forged aluminum, and whoa, look at this. I'm super excited. You might not be able to see it, but this has like a profile, and this is what I had on mine. So you might not be able to see it from the top view. I'm gonna try to show you from the side. This was exactly what I wanted it. I'm super excited. We're gonna have to be very careful when we install these tires. These wheels are really delicate, and I think they're gonna look awesome on my car. There's something else that I did. So these are custom made to my specs, and I'm using a 20 by 11 on the front, and I'm using a 20 by 13 on the back. I think on the back we're gonna be using a 345 30/20 Michelin, but you can see the wheels look beautiful. And these are custom made for my car. I'm actually, the company who helped me with this order, they actually took my idea and they actually made it happen. So this is completely customized for my car, and we also did a center cap that is custom made. Really, so I haven't seen these. I'm super excited because I think this was just another idea that I had, and I wanted to have something unique on my wheel. And we ordered these center caps that are custom made. And after 3 months of waiting, I just all right, there it is. It's really cool. Look at this. So that's how our wheels are going to look. So happy because they're going to be going on this 2020 Mustang wide body. Really can't wait till I can put them on. I think it's going to make a difference. And stay tuned. We're going to be shooting a video once we install the tires, and we're going to balance these, and you can just send it, right? I guess.